product review time on this Pony Joe video.
This is going to be the product I'm going to be doing a review on because I've always wanted one of these since I don't have a hose hookup at my house anyways, and I'm going to finally open it, try it, and see if it's good.
Alright everyone, welcome to a Pony Joe video. I don't know exactly how long this one will be, so it's going to be another product review of an item that I've wanted. It was on sale, so I bought it. As you guys saw, it was that battery operated pressure washer. Now it did say only had, I think it was what, 320? Yeah, 320 psi. But I guess what I'm going to use it for, I don't really need a lot of pressure. But all you need is just a clean source of water, and then there you go. And seeing how I've always wanted one anyways, I'm going to open it, look at everything, and then we're going to go from there. Then, I don't know, see if it's worth it. So when I get home from driving, I'm going to dive into that box and I will start doing the review on it. So until later, I will be back momentarily and opening the box. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to get in to the box. In to the box. Let's see what we got. I can't tell you how excited I am because, one, I've always wanted this. It was too much. And I just wanted one because of the no hose thing. So, we're gonna do an unboxing and looking through. Now let's see, this one, as you can see, it's the Hyper Tough. Okay, it was 320. So we're gonna dig into this box. Wow. It's just that. Okay. So obviously, instructions. Remember, this is quick start guide. Okay, whatever that is. Got the book. Yeah, okay, so we'll look at that later. So right now, get this part out. This will all go on the table when I get through this. Okay, so that right there, piece of junk cardboard. Okay, so the hose, a foam thing. Okay, looks like we got more stuff, so I'll do that later. We got another box. Open that one later. We got, supposed to be for the hose when it's not in use. Got more junk cardboard I don't need. Cat play with it. And then we got this. Alright, so that might come in handy. Alright, so let's get this box out of the way. Anything in there? Nope, nothing in there. And the box for the cat to play in. Here you go, cat. Okay, so. Oh, by any, actually, in a way, this is the dual monitor setup that I have for my previous dual monitor setup. And it's been almost a year now since I've had this installed on my desk. And so far, no problems. I've had no problems with it. I only had to adjust one screw to make it tight because I bumped it and it fell. Okay. First thing, we have this. We have the gun part, or handle part, whatever you want to call it. And then in this box, we have. This is probably the battery because it's small. Yep. We have the battery. Don't really need this box anymore either, so I'll just fold that up, put it away. And this other box has got to probably be the charger, being how small it is. Yep. Okay, so we got the battery charger, another useless box that I don't need, so we'll throw that away. And we have this, and we have this. Okay, so now, I guess what I could do, I could put it together, see what I can get with it. So I'm gonna look at the instructions, put it together, then I guess go from there and see what it does. So I will be back momentarily, and that's it. I'll be back momentarily. Alright, so guys, don't mind this cluttered mess. I'm gonna look at the quick start guide real quick. And we're gonna go from there. I mean, my dad already has a pole saw like this from Hyper Tough, so I already know how that goes. So all it says is just attach, green, charging. Let's see, what's this say? Connect the battery charger, catch to green, then slide the charger base on. Red to show that charging started. Remain red until the battery is fully charged. So it'll stay red until it's charged. Simple enough. Then you insert the battery via this part, I guess. Oh, look at that. Oh, neat. Oh, it's a magnet. Wow. Okay. And assemble. Oh, so you just like this. Turn. Oh, okay. Just like that and turn. And now we have it, well, not fully assembled, but we have it somewhat assembled. I mean, I gotta say, the plastic's kind of iffy. I mean, the plastic here, and then we've got the brass here. So I'm playing guitar. Oh. Okay, so this is all set, ready to go. Put this right here. Let's see, what's this say? Attaching extension lands to power nozzle. Okay, it doesn't say. So I mean, it looks like it's got the gap right there, which you guys can probably see. So I mean, it might not leak. Okay, so now we'll go to this part. 2-in-1 portable power cleaner water sprayer. Oh, okay. So 15. Oh, okay, it was the carry bag. Do I really need the carry bag? Maybe for the hose. Okay, so charging assembly, light green on, light okay. That's gonna be red. Symptoms, backpacks on chest. Well, okay, no. That's for the battery. That's for that part. Okay, so C, D, E. Okay. So it looks like put the hose on. It's showing. Why is it showing a wrench though? That's what I'm not understanding. So let's see. It looks like all you do is oh, just like that. See, that's what I'm not understanding. I don't see anything about the wrench part. Then I guess all you do is pull it down. Maybe. Oh, I heard something hit the floor. Something hit the floor. Must not have been too important because it still works. See? Just like this. Still works. Okay. So we'll go from there. I mean, I guess all you do is and you just hold this part here. Oops. About as bad as my cat hitting my tripod. Oh, there's that piece that broke. I guess all you do is hold this piece and turn. Ah, okay. It turns. Neat. Okay, so I can keep going in circles with it. And I guess obviously you press in this button here and then pull the trigger. Ah. Awesome. Then just go from there. So there you have it. There's the assembly. There's the hose. Just put that in the water source, I guess. And then the rest is, I guess, motors and other things. Now let's see. How would I be able to take this? Would I be able to take this piece off? Okay, that's fine. That looks fine. Does this part come off? I wonder. Oh, okay. Okay, That's for okay. So this is gonna be for storage use, and then that part's off. So I guess all I can do now is wait until this battery is charged, then I'll take it for a test drive and go from there. So until I get back, well, I'm gonna sleep first. Hopefully it doesn't rain so I can test this out. I'm going to be back after I sleep and then take it for a test drive. So I'll be back as soon as I can to test drive it, and I will be back. Alright, so quick update on what I found. It was this tiny piece right here. It's a small plastic piece. I don't think, just lost it again. I don't think it was really important. Maybe it was just for holding that in place on this hose part, because I mean it's still spring loaded, so I don't think that was really needed. So like I said, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I hate working third shift, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And I will test this thing out, and then I should be amazed by it. I hope I'm amazed, because I've always wanted one. I've seen them before for like $200-300. This thing was originally 110. We'll round it up to $110 because it's the Walmart brand one. I got it for $25, almost $30, because I bought the 2-year protection for it. So I'm not going to complain about it because I wanted this for a while. So I mean, it feels like it got some heft to it. Feels sturdy. That probably does nothing. No, that does nothing. That's probably nothing. I still like this thing. Let me see. Okay, let's put it in there. Oh, actually, no. Looks like my dad has one. I want to go to bed though. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I'm gonna go to sleep. So that's just the heads up for what I found. I don't think it was important. We're gonna test it out later and then see what it does. So I'm going to go to sleep, and I will be back to do the actual demo and see how it works. So everyone, enjoy this video for right now, and then I will be back soon. And I've lost track, so I'm leaving. Good night, everyone. Alright, so it's the morning now, or afternoon. I'm gonna go through and test my washer on this. My summer home / getaway. Got my fresh water. Got my thing ready to go, and I'm gonna get it hooked in. Alright, all set up in there. Got the hose. I'm gonna try this one hand. Okay, that's that setting. Let's see. Okay, so there's that setting. Probably can't really see it. Alright, so let's see. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Okay, so there's 0. Okay. And then we turn it.
15. Oh. Yep. All right, doesn't look like it's working too bad. 25. 25. That's no wider. 40. I can't do this left-handed. So it looks like that. And then we got watering mode. That's probably what I saw at the beginning. Yep. I mean, it's not, this is how much water I went through. Oh. So in all, well, this is just a test on the camper. I might try my car or my four-wheeler later. And it doesn't say anything about mixing any wash stuff in with it, so I'm gonna try that probably later. So if you guys want me to test this on other things or run car wash stuff through it, see if it breaks, drop a like, comment, and then I will get to them. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video of this somewhat rundown of a battery operated pressure washer. And this is Pony Joe, and it's been a Pony Joe video. I'm signing off, and everyone enjoy your day, and I will see you next time.